In today's walk in the Cypress Grove Nature Park in Jackson, Tennessee, we will be traveling around the Cypress Knee Loop. There is a covered pavilion that is situated on the corner of the loop, as well as seated areas to rest. There are no restrooms available on the boardwalk. Cypress Grove is located in the floodplain of the Fork Deer River and may be forced to close occasionally due to flooding. Notice the pet owners. Pets are not allowed on the boardwalk at the Cypress Grove Nature Park. They are welcome on a leash in any grassy or wooded areas off the boardwalk. Due to damage from high winds from a previous storm, the Jewelweed Trail to Killdeer Pond and back was closed during our visit to the park. Now all of this is under video surveillance, which is a good thing for safety reasons, for ladies who are by themselves, or any other reason. But as far as it looks like so far, this is pretty well handicap accessible. If you have to be on a wheelchair or anything like that, crutches, canes, looks like that it's pretty easy to walk and navigate. Now, I actually found this online by going to sites around Jackson, Tennessee, because in March I had mobility issues, and so I was looking for a place that I could come and still be in a wheelchair. I got better after my surgery and still had not visited this place yet. So I thought I would come and show you guys this little hole in the wall. And you see more storm damage. Now, like we said, the Killdeer Pond is no longer available, which is sad. It's not that far out to it right there. About 1/4 of a mile. To Wood Duck Lake, 3/8 of a mile. To Cypress Knee Loop, 1/6 of a mile. Now, I am here at the 1st of September, so I know they have been talking about putting us on lockdown again. So I wanted to hurry up and get this done in case we have to face that. And then we're all stuck indoors again, which is hard, as everyone knows. And I love the outdoors. And so lockdowns are not my friend. I can hear what sounds like either wind or a waterfall. You can hear the traffic because the highway, I believe it's 45 West, is just beyond that tree, way back in there. But you can definitely hear the traffic. But from my understanding, all of these trees are cypress trees. And you see a lot of cypress trees when you go to Reelfoot Lake, and they have the big bulby bottoms to them. It looks like somebody took a syringe and put a lot of water in the bottom of them. But that's because it was a natural disaster that happened there. A earthquake that caused Reelfoot Lake. And so the trees adapted to survive. And I'm going to stop here for a moment and take some pictures. We'll continue our way down through here. This is the Cypress Tree Loop, and you can see most of it from here. And we may continue on that loop a little later. Actually, it just makes a circle right here. Look at here. There's the start. All around. And it meets up right there. So, isn't that interesting? We're going to take a little rest right here and take in the sights. We would like to thank the City of Jackson and the Cypress Grove Nature Park for their hospitality while we visited the area. Thank you for once again supporting Kentucky Tennessee Living as we are discovering the parks and things to do in Kentucky and Tennessee.